welcome back to Quiver Analytics, and this is the fourth topic, the fifth topic in our financial, sorry, this is the fifth topic in our basic Excel. All right. So now from the last video we talked about. Okay, before go on, you can don't forget to subscribe and like our videos, and follow us on all of our social media handles, Quiver Analytics. All right. So, in the last video we talked about sorting and filtering. Here we want to talk about conditional formatting and creating basic charts. All right. Now, conditional formatting is a basic way of representing using different icons and colors to pass a message in on your data, on the data. All right. So let's see how that works. So we have salary, and we have some millions here. We have 3.7, 2.7, 2.9. So by scanning through, I think 2.7 is the least, while I can see 6.3, 6.7 is the highest. So 2.7, 6.7. All right, so that's because I know if it's a big data, something you can just come here and do minimum, min, from here, and shift control enter, shift down, enter. So I know the minimum is this, and then 2.7, I can change that to maximum, max, enter, 6.7. all right, that means my guess is correct. So 2.7. all right, let's see how this works. You can highlight if you want to. Let me highlight all of these guys. The conditional formatting. So you have highlight cell rules greater than blah blah. Now, but I'm not going there. Let's start from here. Data bars. So you have the options here. Okay, we have gradients field. We have the green data field. We have the blue data field. We have the red data field, yellow data field, that's orange. Then we have light blue, and we have purple. So whatever, this is just filling with gradients. What this means is I'm just going to choose one. Okay, the same thing applies with the solid field. All right, so let me choose gradients. I'm going to choose something obvious, red. All right, so now what we are, we learned that 6.7 is the maximum. So 6.3 here, you can see it's it is as tall, almost hitting the end border of the cell. Let's see 6.7. You can see 6.7 filled the cell completely, while 6.3 almost filled it completely. So indicating that, oh, this actual value is one of the top, like one of the largest in this data set, while you can see 3.2 is close to the bottom or to the left, and that signifies that it is one of the smallest. Let's see 2.7. You can see 2.7 is quite minimum, so it's the least of them all. So it shows that this is a small number within this range. Now let's go see some others. So we talked about, okay, let me highlight once again. All right, conditional formatting. So the same thing with solid bars. You can see the heights for 6.7, solid fill 6.7 and all. So the color, you can create your own rule as well. Now color scales would divide them into, this is green, yellow, red color. Right, okay, so I'm just going to remove that before. Let me remove the former one. So you can see clear rules here, clear rules from selected cells. Right, so I have it blank. So go back to color scales. So color scales, this is red, white, blue, color scale. So now the red is the maximum. So the ones that are red or approaching red, the more they approach red, the higher they are in the range of the series. the ones approaching blue, the lower they are. You know, the blue always 2.7. Yeah, you can see 2.7 is very blue. So the bluer they become, the lesser they are in that series. All right. So the white ones are the ones in between. All right. So it has divided them into like three, and you can see the difference. All right. So I'm going to go back to conditional format and clear rules from entire blah blah. Okay, now another one, the last one is the icon set. Okay, I have to select. All right, so conditional formatting, the icon cells, you can play around with this. You know, we have 4 and we have 5, depending on the number of categories you want them. And if you want them without color, you can try this. But I feel the colored one is good. And you have the shapes, the circle, the traffic lights, you have the indicators, and you have the stars, the battery bars, and the complete rectangle, or square. You can of course create your own rule. All right, so let's choose one here. So this all illustrates the data in the same group. All right, in the same data sets. Now something else that's there's something else in Excel that I think started from Excel 2013 or 2016. They are called Sparklines. All right, Sparklines. Now, this is how Sparklines are used. I'm going to create something. Let me call this Q1, Q2, and Q3. Q3. That's A3. Q3. So I have 200 and 350 and oh, okay, that's dates. All right, pick Control X and here. All right, 200. Now I want to as general. All right, 200, 350, and let me make it higher, 570. All right, now for sparklines, I'll go to insert. What sparkline does is, without creating a different visual entirely, it's a little bit in between conditional formatting and creating your own charts. All right, now um, Sparkline will create a chart inside another or a specified cell. It does create its own on a cell. So you can see we have line, column, win and loss, all right, or win or loss sparklines. Now let's see how this works. Select the line and it tells you data range. Enter the data range. I'm going to select these three guys and okay. So you can see we have uh, a line that is approaching up, and I can do some things here. I can change the appearance of my sparklines, or choose something quite different. Okay, yeah, I can change the color as well, marker color, axis, blah blah. So here, let me see, high points. I wanted to put high points. I want to put low points. I want to put add okay, okay, yeah, just add markers. Yeah, so now if I change this guy to 180, you see how it responded to it. So it means that quarter one, two, three, quarter one, the performance for quarter two or quarter one is not as high as quarter two. Quarter two is the peak performance among the three, and so on. It gives you an image or a diagram or a representation of your data. All right, it can be anyhow. Your data can be vertical as well, but I just want to create this here. Okay, so I've deleted that. Oh, okay, so that's not all about spark lines. All right, now I can go to insert again and make it column. this 3 and enter. You can see we have the bar chart there. Here, if I make this 600, you see it's changing. And the third sparkline, so you can have it anyway. Actually, let me have the line charts here and enter. So you can see I want the markers, right? Okay, now for the win-loss type of sparkline, it's quite different. It works with positive and negative. So if I have usually -1, 1, say -1, all right. So insert. So it really does not care what type of the quantity of your the quantity or the weight of your values. It only cares about whether it is negative or positive. Now I'm going to change this positive to 700. So one would expect the blue chart to go further up, but nothing changes. I'm going to change the negative to um, 5,000, -5,000. Nothing changes. So now let me plot this, the win or loss for the first series here. You would see we would have just a blank representation because they are all positive. Win or loss, select this data and enter. You can see just have blue bars, the same heights and all of that. So there's nothing here, but except I change this to -350, then we have a red. So you see what happened, we have a red. So for the win or loss, it does not matter what you have, it's just what matters is whether it is positive or negative. All right, now lastly on data visualization, so let's see basic charts. Now back to inserts, we can see recommended charts, blah blah. In Excel, to plot your chart, you have to select your desired column. So I'm going to start with product and profit. Product and profit, then you can go to recommended charts. It helps a lot, it saves you time because there are dynamics to chart types and all of that. All right, so we have Montana, blah blah blah. So it plots them the way they are. All right, the way they are. This is a static chart. All right, so you can see Montana, blah blah blah. You can see Montana repeating itself. So this is not a good representation. It's not a good representation at all. All right, I'm going to teach you how to create a proper chart for this, but before then I'm going to plot these charts for quarter 1, 2, 3. Let's assume this is my table. Quarter 1 is 900. Okay, make this positive again. All right, boom. Go to insert and recommended charts. So you can see clear distinctions. We have the clustered column, we have the bar charts, we have the clustered bar, and we have this, the funnel charts. All right, these are categorical charts used when you have specific categories and their corresponding values. So if you come to all charts, you get more options. Actually, most times from the recommended charts, you have the thing like things you need to plot, like you just have it there. All right, so I'm going to choose a 3D chart. All right, okay, I like this because it has colors. No, I want it to be, it's categorical, so it should vary. All right, okay, so I can change the title to quarterly performance. All right, okay. In our advanced classes, you'll see more about editing charts and working more with charts. All right, so you can also pick we can pick different types of charts. All right, so again I'm going to go to inserts and do a bar chart. So it's quite the same thing. You can see you have a bar charts. So we have in our advanced Excel class um, we have more on visualization. All right, so quickly let me show you in case you have longitudinal data like this and you need to plot the chart. All right, so you put your cursor anywhere in the data sets, go to insert and go to pivot table, from table range, right, blah blah. So it creates something different, and now we have products, we have profits. I'm not going to explain all of this because I'm still going to talk about pivot table in the last video in this series. All right, okay, so now I have this table. You can see it's summarized table, then pivot charts, then I have a chart for the each product, the sum of each product, and the three products. So instead of them repeating itself, this is a better representation. There's always a way of doing things in Excel. All right, so we come to the end of this video. Thank you for staying with us and see you in the next video. However, don't forget to subscribe and like our video and share with people who need to learn Excel in a clear form. Don't forget to follow us on our social media and those Quiver Analytics, and we have special courses for sales as well. Thank you and